So we're about a foot of snow, but I'm going to persevere. I'm going to go to the car. I had this great idea last night, making a YouTube channel, just document my build. So I'll see you in 2 minutes. Alright guys, so basically I bought a Mk2 Golf project in the summer 2020 lockdown. However, when it came, I paid the man, he came, dropped it off. It was more of a shell rather than a project. I wasn't too bothered. This way I could build the Mk2 Golf the way I wanted. I've spent a lot of money. I mean, it would have been a lot better to buy a parts car, but the way I've done it is I built it more towards me, rather than just throwing anything together and just being happy with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through what I've changed, what I've fitted, what I found best. Yeah, we'll take it from there. So my first job was removal of the rear crystal tail lights. For me, they're bloody horrible things, you know, I don't really like them at all. So I saw some half tints, much nicer products, much better look. So yeah, that was my first job. I'll show you some photos of how it looked before, how it looks now. I'd like to, you know, show you with camera video in it, but for some reason my camera's not rotating, which is a shame really. But I'll show you how they look. Right, so these are the fifth lights. Really nice. I mean, I think they're a much better product than the crystal half tints. So I don't know what you guys think. I don't know if you want to leave a comment of what you've got fitted or what you think's a nicer approach. I went for fifth rather than Hella because it's just a bit different in it. You know, Hella is quite easily sourced. You know, there's loads out there. I think fifth now is becoming quite. I don't want to say like a rare part, but you know, it's a bit less common than Hella. It's just nice, just a nice little subtle touch. But yeah, fire away. Let me know what you think.